Are you Korean?
Pinoy.
Wow.
From Pasay.
What's your favorite Pinoy food?
Manginasal.
Tuesday afternoon. So far, nag-edit ako ng videos. While my husband, punong abala, busy siya sa gawaing bahay. Pero ako ata yung lalaki dito. Siya nagsaing, tapos na. Ngayon naman, busy siya preparing the ingredients. Yan. Magluluto siya ng garlic galbi. Oh, diba? Instead of using knife, ginagamit niya gunting. Cause Koreano. Are you Korean?
Pinoy.
Wow.
From Pasay.
What's your favorite Pinoy food?
Manginasal. Other than that,
Oh. Can you answer pali-pali? We have time limit.
adobo.
Adobo. Veggies. You don't like veggies?
Veggie.
Filipino veggie food.
There's no veggie food in Philippines.
There is! Pinakbet! Laing-laing, ano. Grabe siya.